Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase reach with Pinterest marketing, easy tutorial step by step clearly.
Begin by understanding your target audience.
Identify the interests and preferences of your ideal customers. Create a business account on Pinterest to access analytics and add tools.
Choose a profile name that reflects your brand. Upload a high-quality logo and complete your profile bio with relevant keywords. Set up boards that align with your brand and niche. Use clear and engaging titles for your boards. Add a thoughtful description for each board, using keywords for better visibility. Start pinning high-quality images that resonate with your audience. Create vertical pins, as they tend to perform better on the platform. Design eye-catching graphics that include your branding. Utilize Pinterest's Rich Pins feature to provide more context about your products. Incorporate keywords into your pin descriptions for SEO purposes. Link back to relevant content on your website or blog. Use high-quality, original images to stand out in the feed. Schedule your pins for optimal times using tools like Tailwind or Buffer. Engage with other users by repinning, liking, and commenting on their content. Join group boards related to your niche to increase your exposure. Monitor your analytics to track which pins perform best. Adjust your strategy based on performance data to maximize reach. Stay consistent in your pinning schedule to keep your content fresh. Continuously experiment with different types of content, including videos and infographics. Evaluate trends on Pinterest to stay updated with what's popular. Promote your pins through Pinterest ads for additional reach. Test various ad formats to see which one works best for your brand. Leverage storytelling in your pins to create emotional connections. Focus on crafting compelling calls to action in your pin descriptions. Remember to optimize your website for Pinterest traffic. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.